Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today's video will consist of how to draw the human leg. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way possible. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. And now, let's get to the video. Okay, so for this first step, we want to start with like a simple oval shape. And we're going to pretty much do all the angles at the same time. So we're going to do a front, side, and then rear view for the leg. Next, we're going to draw additional ovals right beneath the oval that was just drawn. This is just going to represent the side of the leg, which the calf muscles connect to the top portion of the leg. And for the side view, you just need one oval shape. And then for the remaining two for the front and rear view, it's just going to be two on each side. And then next, we're going to draw another set of circles on each side, and this is just going to represent our calf muscles. And then again, you just need one for the side view. And then from the rear, it's going to be like kind of like a whole shape instead of just an oval. But as you get to the bottom, it kind of curves inward or upward into like a triangle shape. If that makes sense. Next, we're gonna do our sartorius, which is kind of like the kind of looks like a band that kind of wraps around from the top of the leg to the bottom, right next to the knee joint. Next is going to be our inner thigh, or you can also say, I believe the other term is vastus, but I just use the inner thigh term. Next, we're going to be drawing in our quadriceps, and usually the quadriceps are kind of split into like 3 sections. Then we have our patella, or in other words, just our knee joint. And you don't have to do a cross, I just do that just for reference to help me. Usually just to help with where the knee's facing. And then we kind of start connecting each circle, kind of forming the lower portion of the leg. just kind of where the quadriceps kind of meet at. So it kind of sits right on the top of the knee joint. Excuse me. And then for the side profile, you're not really gonna see the all three of the quadriceps, of course. So we're just gonna see the side usually in this view. So just gonna draw like pretty much like a simple line that's kind of going up to the top of the leg, and then the patella or the knee that kind of comes out on the bottom portion of the leg. And again, just kind of just start connecting each part from there. So next for our rear view, we're gonna just start with the adductor, which is gonna be gonna sit in the inner portion of the rear part of the leg. And we're gonna draw the other side. This portion is going to be the biceps and then the semitendinosus, I believe. So it being biceps is kind of similar to just the how the arm is kind of built. So think of it as like the biceps for the leg, because it's kind of split into two. So. For the points of the calf muscles, they kind of come on, they're placed on top of the bicep muscles, so they kind of come inward and connect into the side portion of the leg. So it kind of sits underneath, and then the calves are kind of on top of that. And then as we get to the bottom of the calves, usually that's where the Achilles tendon starts. So it kind of forms like, it's kind of like a triangle shape, in other words. And we have our ankle and our tibia bone. right here we're gonna start labeling each part. So this is gonna be our sartorius. So again, this is just kind of like that shape that's kind of like a band that wraps around the leg. And then our inner thigh, or in other words, vastus muscle. Next is going to be our quadriceps, which is going to be divided into 3 sections. Quadriceps, femoris muscles. And then next is our shin bone. Next, these are just going to be our calf muscles. So again, this is just going to be our adductor, which sits on the side of the leg, but it's going to be in the rear portion of the leg, which sits right next to the biceps. And then the muscle right next to the abductor, it kind of sits in between the biceps and the adductor. But as I label it here, that's usually the semitendinosus muscle, I believe. Next is just going to be our Achilles tendon, which is the back part of the leg, which sits right next to the calf muscles and works its way down towards like the ankle joints. Ankle and tibia, I mean. And right here, I'm just kind of defining the tibia a little bit more. Usually it sits right on the side of the leg, right next to the calf muscles. And then right here is going to be just our ankle joint. Ankle joint usually will sit higher as well when it comes to the front portion or the rear view of the leg. that is our video. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and take care.